At nagbabalik ang ating cards na pag sinampal ka ngayon nito, sigurado magigising ka nito. Baka next month na. Ayan, no? So, let's see what do we have here for you guys. No, ang ating biggest deck of them all. So, let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm hearing that song. You know that song? Loneliness is killing me no more. I'm stronger. Yeah. So whatever the case may be, hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko, si Britney Spears ba ang kumanta niyan or si Christina Aguilera, bala kayo, pakisearch nyo na lang. Pero dun tayo sa meaning ng lyrics na narinig natin, no? Loneliness is killing you no more. Meaning to say, hindi na kayo pinapatay rito ng lungkot, and that message is very strong because you are appearing here as like the angels are telling me na sobrang tatag at sobrang tapang mo na sino man ang mga na-pick up kong energies ngayon. So you deserve a clap, applause, no? Round of applause dito, babes, no? Because I love it. When a person here is stronger, ibig sabihin, ano man yung pagdaanan mo, no? Wala na talaga rito makakapagpatibag kung gaano ka katibay, no? At kung paano ka naging weak before, hindi ka na or never ka nang magiging weak pa na kasing tulad nun. Yan, no? So, let's see what do we have here for you. Let me just shuffle this. Yeah, you already built that King of Spades energy, no? This is you. You are very grounded, no? Babae ka man or lalaki ka, no? You are embodying here a very strong masculine energy, no? And this is you. Alam mo na, no? Parang meron ka na ritong paninindigan dito, no? You are very grounded. You are someone here who looks for opportunities na magtatagal, no? Magsistay, no? Magiging permanente, no? Yan, no? So, yun yung mga bagay na hanap mo at yun yung mga bagay na interest mo o yun yung mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan mo. Ano mang areas ng life mo yan? Love life, kaperahan, personal mong buhay, your personal world, everything right here. You are very grounded. You are not so affected right here whenever there's issues, problems, na hindi ka na so affected. Maybe before, affected ka agad, no? And you tend to be so emotional. But now, you are stronger. Wow. Let's see more. Okay, let's go ahead. Uy. Oh. Right at the heart of this reading is the Queen of Diamonds right here. Mukhang saktong-sakto yung narinig nating awitin kanina while shuffling, no? So I'm gonna explain it. You could be seeing here a lot of number 4s, pero I'm getting that word solid, solido. No? So let's keep moving. Ayun. Wow, you could also be seeing 999, angel numbers 999, yan, or a lot of number 9s, no? Na number, okay? Yeah, Black Joker right here, and yeah. I love it because we're getting here very straightforward na meaning, no, or message rito for you, guys. Now, I'm gonna tell it to you, okay? But let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. Ako po si Yan at sa mga newbies. Thank you so much po sa inyo rito, no, na pag-drop by at sana magstay din po kayo here with us. at sa mga returning kong viewers and supporters na sinamahan ako since day one, no, nung wala pa talaga akong subscribers, no, pero you stayed with me. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, no. So, thank you so much, no, para dun sa mga 4,000 plus subscribers na nag-subscribe na doon sa aking Dalnim channel, no. I encourage everyone na mag-subscribe din po kayo din mga babes, no, if you want na ma-update po kayo sa mga uploaded readings kahit na everyday naman po tayong meron. Pero syempre, para rin po ma-update kayo no, on time, ma-notify kayo pag uploaded na talaga kasi wala tayong exact na time kung ano oras talaga na-upload yung mga readings. So, I encourage you na tara na rin dun. So, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pag-suporta. So, yun nga, wala po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, no, LGBT. By the way, yung link pala nung doll name channel ko is right at the description box. Okay? So, pwede nyo makita yan sa description box ng reading na ito. So, yun nga, no, wala tayo ritong time period. Pwedeng ito ay tapos na, nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at pwedeng hindi pa at isang prediction no, sa inyong future. Pero I'm gonna say, because the vibe that I'm getting from here is that your angels and guides wants you to know that this is more likely mangyayari pa lang. Okay? Para sa mas nakararami sa inyo. So, just take only what resonates here, guys. Okay? So, okay. So, nakikita ko dito mga bids. No, we do have here this. Okay? I love that your cards here ay nagpula na lahat, no? But this black top right here, no, is yung, okay, person dito na kumokonek sa inyo. Ano kaya pala natin narinig yung kanta na yun, no? Na stronger. If I'm not mistaken, stronger ata yung title, no? So, okay. I'm picking up that there's someone here na papunta sa inyo. Sakto ito. Kasi, dalawa yung nakuha ko dito. Either with this Six of Spades energy, this person is appearing as the Jack of Spades, no? And there's this um, Ace of Clover right here. I do see that this person here could be traveling back to see you. Okay? I'm gonna tell you na for others of you, this could be your ex-person. Take note, ito yung ex mo na sobrang iniyakan mo. Like to the point na hinintay mo pa talaga siya before na bumalik. Pero namuti na lang talaga yung mata mo. Hindi siya bumalik dito, no? So, sa kabila ng lahat ng kasalanan niya sa'yo rito, mga babes, no? Hindi man lang niya rito nagawa na makipag-communicate, tumawag sa'yo, sobrang naging stagnant ang inyong connection, ang inyong communication, talagang wala, no? Talagang hinayaan niya lang talaga yung sitwasyon, no, kahit na siya may kasalanan, no. So, parang thick skin talaga siya, no. Medyo makapal yung kanyang balat, makapal ang kanyang mukha. Yun yung nakita ko rito, no. But this person here is traveling back to you. And I must say that this person here could be on and off talaga sa inyong relationship before. Pero ano magagawa natin, minahal mo, inintay mo pa rin siya. At nakita ko rito na ito yung sa lahat ng ex mo, siya yung talagang minahal mo ng sobra kahit hindi niya deserve. Yeah. But for others of you, this is someone here na hindi mo naman naging ex, pero nakausap mo siya, and ikaw to na parang sinasabi mo sa akin na noon, sinasabi mo is sayang. Sayang talaga hindi natuloy yung connection namin. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa kanya, busy ba siya? Or may ibang mga kumukuha ng atensyon niya, hindi ko alam. Pero sayang, nagugustuhan ko pa man din siya. Actually, parang feeling ko nga na in love na ako sa kanya. Yan, no? For others of you, yun yung person na nakakanik ninyo before na parang naiisip ninyo dati na parang, ay, sayang naman tong person na to. Kaso, hindi siya consistent sa akin. Pawala-wala siya rito eh. Para siya ritong internet signal. No? So, ganun ka nakita tong person na 'to, no? So, nakita ko dito that, yeah, for the most of you, this could be your ex right here na iniyakan mo. Iniyakan mo rin at nadismaya ka rin dun sa person na binabanggit ko kung hindi mo man 'to ex, no? Kasi, lumalabas dito na parehas mong ginugol yung time mo, no, with, these people right here, no? Alin man siya diyan, kung sino man yung dinidil mo diyan, no? Whether it's your ex person, no, na iniyakan mo rito ng balde-baldeng luha ta's inintay mo pa rin kahit na hindi niya deserve, 'di ba, noon. or whether this is someone here na hindi naman nagkaroon ng kayo or hindi naman naging kayo, pero sayang kasi nagustuhan mo pa rin naman siya noon, 'no? May gano'n, 'no? So, siya yung bumabalik dito sakto dahil stronger ka na, stronger. Yes, talagang ini-emphasize ko yung stronger, 'no? May diin talaga do'n, 'no? Kasi solido, nabanggit ko kanina 'no, na nakita ko rito ang word na solid. Kasi solido na yung energy mo, you are appearing here as the Queen of Diamonds energy or the Queen of Swords 'no. Tingnan mo naman 'yan, they are appearing as the Jack of Spades. Alam naman natin 'no, na ang Jack 'no is, the younger version here and the Queen is the mature one. So ibig sabihin mas mature na kayo ngayon, you cut this person here from long time ago, no? Loneliness is killing you no more. Wow! Eh, hindi ka na pinapatay ngayon ng lungkot dahil napaka-solid na ng energy mo, no? Ikaw ito na noon yon miss yan, iniyakan ko yan, noon yon no? Magkaiba yung noon sa ngayon. Yes, babe, I'm seeing that because nagpula na yung cards mo dito, no? Yung 9, 9, no? This is you. You can really stand on your own. This is you. You can handle your emotions and feelings. This is you, mga babes, no, na meron ka na ritong matitibay na mga pundasyon. Alam mo na ngayon yung nararapat at deserve mo. So, alam mo na hindi mo deserve yung kakarampot na attention. Bakit mo naman yun ide-deserve kung ang binibigay mo ay sobra-sobra? Syempre, dapat sobra-sobra din yung ma-receive mo kasi yun yung binibigay mo. And alam mo na itong tao na 'to 'no, itong Jack of Spades na 'to kung sino man 'yan 'no, sa buhay mo, nakita ko rito na wala na siyang puwang ngayon 'no, sa'yo at nakikita ko rito na nagbabalik siya rito at nakikita ko na ika-cut mo siya sa life mo 'no. Kung kakausapin mo man siya 'no, because posible po 'yun dito, nakita ko po yung communication 'no, but I think you will end it like cut 'no. I-end mo na yun. You know, like, you're gonna talk with this person right here with a lot of finesse, no, with poise, no, and this is you na parang you're rejecting this person here with a Four of Hearts energy because this is you. You want that kind of love na deserve mo. Ano ba yung mga kind of love na deserve mo? Siyempre, yung mahal ka at hindi rito gagawa ng paraan para saktan ka sa anumang paraan, iisipin na saktan ka sa anumang paraan, hindi nun magagawa. At alam mo na itong mga tao na 'to na ibinigyan mo ng chances before, but what they did is they ruined that chance, and now, sorry, hindi na ako magpapauto ulit sa'yo. Never na akong maghihintay sa'yo. Never mo nang magagawa yung mga bagay na nagawa mo sa'kin before because I am no longer resonating with my older self. Yan, no? Antaray ng linya. So with this Nine of Coins energy, I'm seeing you paying attention more sa yung pera because the diamonds, no, ay pentacles, money, and coins. So yung iba, posibleng may work kayo, tapos meron din po kayong business. Nakita ko yun dito. Yung iba naman working pero parang gusto nang ihintuyan at magbi-business na lang. Basta ang nakikita ko dito na parang family mo yung inaasikaso mo, may mga priorities ka rito yan, no? Parang may mga ginagawa ka rito na may kinalaman sa mga loved ones mo. Yan 'no, puwedeng working ka, eh, para sa family mo, whether you are the provider or the breadwinner doesn't have to be. But I'm also picking up that you give so much attention sa mga taong alam mong nagbibigay ng atensyon at pinapahalagan ka, just like your families and close friends right here. They're with you and you know who they are. So mas gusto mo na lang na ibigay atensyon mo sa kanila 'no, sa mga kaibigan mo na nag-enjoy ka pa, kaysa dito 'no, na parang alam mo na parang, ay naku, this person right here, ayoko na pinaghihintay niya ako sa mga reply, ayoko na pinagmumukha niya ako ritong syonga, you know? So, you stopped this from long time ago already and this person here probably do not know that. You know why this person here is coming back or traveling back to you? It is because you've detached your energy from long time ago and this person here, okay, spiritually, energetically explain na naramdaman niya yun. Okay? Doesn't have to be na may alam siya sa universe, parang wala nga eh. Hindi nga siya interesado sa mga energy or tarot readings eh, pero naramdaman niya na parang wala ka ng pakialam. Because this person knows that you've cried a lot of tears dahil sa kanya. So meaning to say, kapag ka ganun ng isang babae or isang lalaki, no, at nakita niya yon, no, na ikaw ay umiyak rito ng todo-todo dahil sa pagkawala niya, no, or dahil sa pagkakaseparate ninyo, disconnection before, yan yung mga klase ng energy na super proud sa kanilang mga selves, no? Na, ay, this woman is so crazy over me. This person here is madly in love with me. So, every time na may isip kong babalik ako, tatanggapin ako niyan, pre. Yun, no? Yun yung klase ng confidence, no? Pero, look at that, honey. You have here the Joker block and the Eight of Spades energy. What does that mean, no? Wala ng chance. Wala ng chance. New beginning right here. Alam mo kasi may isa pang joker dito sa deck na ito. At the joker na isa is the red one. The red one is an indication that there's probably chance of you getting back together. Pero nakuha mo is black joker. Which means, ay, hindi ako nagdadalawang isip, hindi ako hesitant, talagang ayoko na. Never na magkakaroon ng new beginning sa amin ng person na yan. I deserve so much more. You know? You deserve so much more, of course, sweetheart. Na, and I love what you're doing here because you already know your mindset is really mature than this person here because this person here is coming back to you. Yes, sabihin na natin na may konting pagsisisi, ni iniwan ka niya, pero I can tell you that that pagsisisi is hindi man lang po sumampa ng 35% out of 100%. So, can you really tell if that person is really serious in getting back to you, rekindling the love? Like, oh no, hindi siya seryoso doon. So, whatever the case may be, I'm saying that this person here is traveling back to you because maybe this person here is quite bored. Kasi alam mo, may energy siya dito na parang, ano eh, explorer because of the Ace of Clover right here. No, when we say explorer, I can say that this could be the type of person that is flirty, playful, connecting, talking, communicating with other girls, other women, other ladies, other boys, other men, diba? So, probably, puwedeng walang nakakuha ng atensyon niya, 'no, parang lahat, 'no, is parang boring sa kanya, 'no. So, yeah, I think this person here is gano'n, 'no. And no wonder, 'di ba, para siyang mushroom before because of that on and off, 'no. Para siya ditong pasulpot-sulpot lang before, 'no, 'yan yung nakita ko dito, 'no. So, whether that is a ex-lover of yours, 'no, na iniyakan mo or whether that is that person na nasayangan ka dahil hindi naging kayo before, 'no, lahat 'yun ay noon-noon pa 'yun, 'no. Iba ka na ngayon dahil ikaw na ito, babe, you know. I love it because you are happy, you know. Ano man yung mga desisyong ginagawa mo ngayon, you are appearing here as the Queen of Diamonds. The Queen, no? Na matalino, smart, hardworking, you know, alam mo yung mga bagay na dapat i-prioritize, alam mo yung mga energies na dapat i-cut off sa kanyang life, no? Not just say yung love life, no? But also, when new people comes in, no? And they want to get your attention, like, pwede makipag-friend sa'yo. This is you, you're not letting them in right away. Because the Queen of Swords is not just that, no? The Queen of Swords is someone here who is very observant, no? Meron siya ditong mga bagay na tinitingnan sa isang person na before letting that person here in into his or her world and before letting that person in come sa kanya ritong soul tribe or buhay, no? Yung community niya mismo, no? With the circle of his or her friends. So, I love that that is your energy and you are no longer lonely, di ba? Loneliness is killing you no more. Yes, okay? And wow, I love it, no? Because you look so cool in my eyes here, babe. So, thank you so much for your time here, no? And muli ako po si Yan. Please check out other channel if you're interested. The link is down below the description box. Thank you, Sarang Heyo, love and light. Annyeong.